One thing to help you with kind of the transition, the making of the documentation and the actual making of the game is actions and challenges. It's kind of a bridge. You kind of have to think of them on both sides. So as opposed to thinking them out once and then doing them, or not thinking them out at all but having to do them later on. So actions, simply put, are what the programming does. Now, so are challenges, but actions mean what can you do? Can I run? Can I jump? Can I squat? Can I turn around? Am I on a seamless world that's unending, or am I stuck in a building with walls that I can't get out? These types of things are going to affect your actions, because as you can see, they're either permitted, required, or prohibited by the way the game is made. Programming also affects challenges, but in the case of challenges, it's not merely I'm going to press the W key and go forward. The challenges actually mean how the structure, the mechanics, the rules are going to make the game fun. Hopefully. That means if you have a platformer, the action would be to jump, but how you set up the platforms is going to make the challenges. You know, are you going to put stuff in between the platforms to make it even more challenging? You know, put a string. Not only do they have to time jumps, they're going to have to jump at the right spot, and maybe even like one of the things they can jump to will dissolve or something like that. All that can come in, and it does have to be programmed. Those things are set up by the actions. The actions themselves can't be challenging or shouldn't be challenging. So in other words, if I wanted to jump, I should push the space bar. Right? It shouldn't worry about it. It should automatically happen. But the actual act of jumping in the game will allow me to create the challenges. Some other noticeable ones will be like, you know, aiming. How much are you going to allow it? So the actual aiming itself would be an action. But, you know, if you put a little wiggle in on the aim, AI would provide some of the challenges as well. So all this stuff can get wrapped up and, you know, put into your document, but also thought in ahead so that when you go to the programming, you have an idea on what to program.